This is not a test. This is your emergency broadcast system announcing the commencement of the first purge sanctioned by Donald Trump. Weapons of class 4 and lower have been authorized for use during the purge. All other weapons are restricted. Donald Trump and his relatives have been granted immunity from the purge and shall not be harmed. Commencing at the siren, any and all crime, including murder, will be legal for 12 continuous hours. Police, fire, and emergency medical services will be unavailable until tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. when the purge concludes. Blessed be our new president. Make America great again. May God be with you all.
The American dream is dead.
Promise me, it's our last gig.
Of course, this dude has loads of cash.
$500,000. Imagine what we can do with that money.
Okay, let's do it fast.
Hurry up!
I'm trying! It's locked!
No shit!
Come on, let's try the side door.
Look, there's a door!
Clearly, dumbass.
You don't have to be so mean.
Look, I'll just break through the window. You're taking too long.
I know you like her.
Me? Like her?
Tough as fuck, ese.
Hey guys, this window's open.
Yo, we even invited you, bro.
Let's go. Alex,
Let's go.
just be quiet and take off your shoes. What?
Do we have to?
You wanna get caught?
Fine.
Boy, put those sketchers back on. You don't wake up the old man with that stench.
Sorry about that.
Speaking of, man. Rocky, where is he?
He's upstairs, probably sleeping.
I'll be right back.
So how's your day?
I'm happy. My name's Tyrone. I'm the unique one. I'm Cassie. My name's Rocio. And we're...
He's out.
Oh, you mean?
He's passed out.
So how are we getting in there?
So I think we should pour water on the knob and freeze it with something? Yes, there's no water in it.
Step aside.
What are you doing?
Are you gonna shoot it with the bottle?
Wait, you don't even know how to use one.
Easy. Just pull the trigger.
Rocket, let's get out of here.
Just because you write fantasies about her and diarrhea doesn't mean she'll listen to you.
Wait, what?
How did you...
Hey! Boy,
Who, me?
is this your house? Let me in. I just need a place to hide for a few minutes.
You see, this
Thanks.
is...
I'll pay you later.
Ugh, I ate too many meatballs today. Hopefully I don't blow up this toilet.
Hey, what the fuck you think you're doing? Give me fucking money. How many there are you? It's on me, man. Please.
Rocky, hurry up. We have to look for an exit, a door, a window, somewhere to escape.
Keep it quiet. Alex.
Quiet.
Alex, look.
You're going here, let's go.
We can't just leave him here.
But think about it. What if the old man is already dying and on his way to snap our necks? I'll do whatever you want to do.
Let's do it quick. Untie him.
Thank you guys. Oh my gosh, thank you. Let's go.
Shut up and let's go.
Dude, that's just crazy. I thought he was gonna.
Listen, look at me, Rocky. We need to get out of here, now.
No! Why? Why? No! I'll kill you for this!
Take this.
Where did you get a hammer?
It was in the bathroom.
Weird.
Run! Rocky!
Alex, where are you?
I'll let you get away.
Rocky, let's go. The exit's that way. Wait, who the fuck? You ain't Rocky.
Oh, it's you. Thanks for letting me in, but everything in here is fake. The toilet is fake. It's plastic, and it won't flush.
Get away from me.
I'm just gonna go back in.
Achoo!
Rocky!
Rocky! Rocky!
Oh, you're awake. I wonder when you would wake up. There's no point struggling. There's no way you're gonna be able to get out. You know, my daughter used to sing for me. I remember her amazing voice. She actually put me to sleep. She's the only reason why I actually went to sleep. And now, you're gonna replace her. You will fill her role. Now sing. Come on, Rocky. Back here!
Rocky, I have to confess something to you. And now that money is dead, and you're single now,
Just get the door open.
I love you.
See you later, man. To find safety. The purge isn't over yet.
It's all over. You're gonna be here for 9 months.
No, it's not.
Stop this nonsense! Shit, no. Yo! The fuck? You just killed the main protagonist! What am I gonna do for the next 25 minutes, huh? There was gonna be like, I was gonna torture her, and I was like, there's gonna be a twist at the end, and like, what the fuck?
Dude, I'm sorry, it's just... She was in the way.
Do you have any idea how hard it is to like find some people who like go inside of my house and then I can torture them and shit? Do you have any idea how hard that is? Nobody comes over.
I can kill her. It's Purge night, man.
Like, what the heck? Like, what the? Oh, are you serious?
What are you doing?